In class exercise 4 then, question 1. Bit of a trick to the first one. AX, well, we're looking to find something to do with 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C. We could write AX as X divided by 1 over A, which equals B divided by 1 over Y. Sorry, Y divided by 1 over B, which equals Z divided by 1 over C, which equals 360. Then we can write the following: X plus Y plus Z, all divided by 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C, also equals 360. We know that this is equal to 5 over 6, so 360, and therefore, and we find that X plus Y plus Z is 5 6 to 360, which is going to be 300. Let's move this up. No, we can't. In 2 then, A squared over B squared, that's going to be the same as 3 squared, so we've got 9. D over C, well that would be 1 over 3. And then A plus B over B, well we can separate that into A over B plus B over B, which then equals 3 times by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 12. In question 3 then, we're going to use a similar method as we did in question 2, but at the moment we can't split this. We can't say AB over A plus AB over B is equal to 4. That's not mathematically correct. What we can do though is we can flip these over, so A plus B over AB is equal to 1 over 4, and then we can split this into A over AB plus B over AB is equal to 1 over 4, and if we cancel these down, we're left with 1 over B plus 1 over A is equal to 1 over 4. And then if we just repeat this process like this, and then we can say 1 over C plus 1 over B is equal to 3 over 8. Again with the third one, and finally we find that 1 over C plus 1 over B, 1 over A, sorry, is equal to 1 over 2. If we add these all up then, 2 over A, 2 over B, plus 2 over C, is going to be equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 over 8, or 9 over 8. We're going to need to rub out some stuff to give some space. This is the result we've got. And then if we divide by this 2, 9 over 16 is equal to 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. We want to find A, and we actually found before then 1 over B plus 1 over C. That was equal to 3 over 8. So we could say 1 over A plus 3 over 8 is equal to 9 over 16. Let's put this up here. 1 over A is equal to 9 over 16 minus 6 over 16. 1 over A is equal to 3 over 16, and therefore A is equal to 16 over 3. Questions are a bit more straightforward now. So triangle, 126 centimeters, ratio 4 to 6 to 8, which means that if we add those up, we've got 18 parts, or 18k, and so 18k is equal to 126, meaning that k is going to be equal to 7, and we want the longest side, which would be 8k, so 8k is going to be equal to 56. Question 5 then, a little bit trickier. 420 walnuts And these walnuts are distributed in 3 groups inversely proportional to 3, 5 and 6. What this means then is a ratio of 1 over 3 to 1 over 5 to 1 over 6. So we're going to use the same method of add all of those things together. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6. And so probably what we should do is give them common denominators. So 30 would be a good choice. 10 plus 6 plus 5 all over 30, or 21 over 30. And similar to what we did here, we added them together. That's how many parts we've got. We had 18 parts here, and in this question we've got 21 over 30 parts. So what that means is that 420 is divided into 21 over 30 parts, so less than 1. So K is going to be equal to 30 over 21 times 420, which is the same as 10 over 7 times 420. 420 over 7 is 60, so K is equal to 600. There we go. And if the ratio is 1 over 3 to 1 over 5 to 1 over 6, and we want the smallest group of walnuts, which is going to be this one, 1 over 6K, so 1 over 6 times by 600 is going to be 100. Question 6, again gets a little bit more complicated. We've got 4 pieces now in a ratio of 2 to 3 to inversely proportional to 4 to 5, to inversely proportional to 5, 1 over 5. Again, same method, we're going to add all these up, so 5 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5, which is 5 plus 9 over 20. Let's change this into 100 over 20, and so 109 over 20. That's how many parts we've got. So 327 is equal to 109 over 20 times K. 327 over 109 times by 20 equals K. This is 3. K is then going to be 60. Find the length of the longest piece. So we've got 2K, 3K, K over 4, K over 5. We're going to have 3K, so 180. Question 7 then. Important, it says represented by a single equation. A is directly proportional to B. So A, if we were doing a formula, we would say A is proportional to B. And to write in an equation would be A is equal to a constant times B. A equals KB. And is inversely proportional to C. So divided by C. When A and B are 12 and 3, so 12 is equal to 3K, then C is 2. And so K is going to be equal to 24 over 3, so 8. Find A if B is 7 and C is 4, so 56 over 4, which is 14. Question 8, similar to 7, y is inversely proportional to x squared plus 1, so k divided by x squared plus 1, and directly proportional to x plus 1. When x equals 1, y equals 2, so 2 is equal to 2k all over 2, k is then equal to 2. Find y when x is 3, y is equal to 2 times 4, so 8 all over 10, or 4 over 5. 9 says, so number of road engineers, so 9, distance 54, time 24. How many times would it take 5 engineers? Well, let's take it down to 1 engineer, which means that he would do 54 over 9, so 6 in the same amount of days. That means that 5 engineers would be able to do then 6 times 5, so 30 in the same amount of days. And then if we halve the distance, 15, but kept the work is the same, that means that the time would then be halved, 12. Alright then, in question 10, x and z are proportional. Well, let's find some relationships first then. We know that x is equal to 4y, so we could say that they're proportional, x and y. And y is equal to 5 over z, so they're inversely proportional. Z is equal to 12m, so they're proportional, z and m. So x and z are proportional. Well, x equals 4y, and y is equal to 5 over z, so 4 times 5 over z, so that x and z are inversely proportional. That's not true. Y and z are proportional. No, that's not true. Y and m are proportional. Well, if y equals 5 over z and z equals 12m, 5 over 12m. No, that's not true either. X and y are inversely proportional. No, that's not true. And x and m are inversely proportional. Well, if z equals 12m, then this is 20 divided by 12m, and they are inversely proportional, meaning that the last one is true.